Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are back with another very affordable wig. I actually got this hair from my beauty supply store, and this hair is actually under $4, and I've used this hair before to actually make a wig on my channel where I did a bob wig. I'm going to be linking that down below if you haven't watched that. So this is what the hair is going to be looking like, and we're going to be doing a headband wig using this hair. And this video is very detailed, and at the end of this video I'm going to show you guys all the styles I did that you guys saw at the intro of the video. So you want to stick around, like the video, and make sure you watch to the end, guys. Also, so I'm just sewing down the wig band to the wig cap, and I'm sewing it from the left hand side to the right hand side because I'm going to be cutting it at the back to attach a velcro. But if you don't have a velcro, you could actually use maybe any kind of pin, but this velcro actually got it from a tailoring shop. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to like the video, drop comments down below, and I'll see you along the video. So this is the velcro, and I'm going to be cutting it, and I would attach it to the headband by sewing it down. So I'm going in with my tape now to just have an outline of where I'm going to be laying the weave on. So you can do this, you mustn't do this as well. So for the back, I'm going in with 1 inch, and for the front, I'm going to be going in with 1/2 inch. To make the wig, I'm actually doubling the weave, and I would use my T-pin just to secure it, and I'm going to sew down, and I'm doing the flip over method. I'm not going to be cutting the weave. It's only when I get to the front I actually had to cut it, so it's going to lay flat. So when I got to this point, I did not double the weave so that it can actually have a flatter look in front, and also to the next weave I'm going to be sewing down, I'm going to be flipping it to the other side. So you guys just keep watching, you're going to see what I am doing. So but if you've been watching and you've gotten to this point, you haven't still subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, so that I can be coming through with very affordable hairstyles. You mustn't break the bank just to slay. And also to drop comments down below. I respond to every comment. So I'm just going to go ahead to put on the wig, and this wig doesn't require too much of styling. And for this hair, guys, this is the second time I'm using this hair, like I said before, so I'll link the video of the bob wig I made. I actually had to go back to actually purchase this hair because it doesn't shed at all for the price. It's really affordable. So if you go to your beauty supply store, you can actually get this. So you guys should just keep watching. You're going to see how I'm going to be switching up with different styles on this wig. Okay girl, so I actually think this wig actually added some extra fineness to me. You guys shouldn't mind me. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for engaging with my content, and this is it guys for this video. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye for now.